Starting around 09 October 2023, Bitcoin money for the most part is exchanging at $216.56 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.62% in most recent 60 minutes, which explicitly is very critical. BCH sort of has an extremely complete market cap of $4,228,780,247, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $147,660,889 in a sort of huge manner. This generally makes Bitcoin money, BCH, in every practical sense, positioning at 17 in the digital currency market in a by and large significant manner. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what really is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin money sort of be by and large worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Bitcoin money a by and large wise speculation or in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2023, which especially is very huge? Will BCH cost outperform its record-breaking high, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking? These truly are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH''S' future, or so they thought. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation 2023, as per the Bitcoin money estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BCH cost by and large is supposed to especially cross a really normal value level of $259.46, the normal fundamentally least value worth of Bitcoin money, toward the finish of the for the most part current year, ought to in every practical sense be $248.26. Which basically is genuinely critical. Besides, BCH can in a real sense arrive at an especially greatest value level of $285.43 in a really significant manner. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Bitcoin money cost really is conjecture to all things considered, arrive at a flat-out most minimal cost of $214.92, which certainly is genuinely huge. The BCH cost could in a real sense arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of $241.78, with the truly normal expected cost around $235.06, or so they in a real sense thought. Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Bitcoin money cost really is estimate to especially arrive at an in a real sense, the least cost of $228.57 in a very significant manner. The BCH cost could by and large arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $253.53, with the genuinely normal expected cost around $239.77, which for the most part is very huge. Bitcoin money, BCH, value estimate October 2023. The Bitcoin money, BCH, cost for October 2023 may basically arrive at any rate worth of $235.61, while the in every way that really matters, most extreme gauge cost by and large is around $263.12, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. The kind of typical cost for BCH fundamentally is anticipated to by and large reach $244.56 in October 2023 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the greatest cost for Bitcoin money could stretch around $275.35, or so they essentially thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of BCH in November 2023 generally is $242.94 with a typical cost of $251.90, so on the off chance that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitcoin money truly be genuinely worth in 2023, which in every practical sense is very critical. Bitcoin money value estimate December 2023. In December 2023, the very greatest cost for Bitcoin money could stretch around $285.43, which truly is very critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of BCH in December 2023 in a real sense is $248.26, with an essentially normal cost of $259.46. Further appearance, how the BCH cost could generally arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $253.53, with the genuinely normal expected cost around $239.77, which especially is very huge. Bitcoin money passed value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been really diminished by 4.97% in its ongoing worth. In the event that we for the most part look at the really current market cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap certainly is likewise down, showing how Bitcoin money, BCH, value expectation August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Bitcoin money cost for the most part is conjectured to arrive at a flat-out least cost of $214.92, or so they explicitly thought. Bitcoin money truly is confronting a kind of tough time jumping aboard with fundamentally other crypto coins, which in every practical sense demonstrates the way that the BCH cost could sort of arrive at a by and large most extreme cost of $241.78, with the very normal expected cost around $235.06 in an essentially huge manner. The BCH really is down to nearly 12.11% in the kind of most recent 7 days, which certainly is very critical. The coin generally is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for extremely past essentially couple of days. The coin could for the most part have serious areas of strength for truly in any case. We don't actually believe that it would a beneficial resource in kind of present moment, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the genuinely current cost and in every practical sense, recent days' cost history, it especially is seen that Bitcoin money in a real sense has expanded 37.834% in its worth, which explicitly is very huge. The kind of typical by and large least cost for the month generally is $130.31, while really most extreme certainly normal cost especially was $134.63, so the BCH cost could in every practical sense arrive at a very greatest cost of $241.78, with the very normal expected cost around $235.06 in an unobtrusive manner. This suggests that this coin explicitly is a reasonable resource and another expansion to in every practical sense, your arrangement of coins for pretty long haul, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change truly is around 39.14%, and the cost in every way that really matters, circled from a sort of least extremely normal cost of $125.38 to exceptionally greatest by and large normal cost of $134.83 in the for the most part beyond 90 days, or so they generally thought. In essentially most recent 4 months Bitcoin money by and large has shown a developing pattern in a very significant manner. In this way, we fundamentally feel that comparable pieces of the market especially were very famous at that period, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. As per the practically the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Bitcoin money by and large is expanded from 4 months, which generally shows that moreover, the minimum cost of BCH in November 2023 really is $242.09.